How are you today? Hopefully that you are all okay. Before we start our day, dapat nakakain na kayo, nakapag-toothbrush, nakapaghilamos, nakaligo, para hindi na tayo maging mabaho. Ready na ba tayo sa ngayong araw na ito? Kung ready na, ating tatalakayin ngayong araw na ito ang multiplication of fractions. Nung nakarang araw, natakil natin na ang addition of fractions at subtraction of fractions. Ngayon, mas madali lamang itong multiplication of fractions kasi hindi na natin kailangan maghanap pa ng LCD. Okay, I will be sharing you some videos. Please watch the video, and after watching the video, I will provide my own examples. At sana maintindihan nyo kung paano mag-multiply ng fractions. Let's watch this video. We'll be providing you with some examples. For example, let's multiply 2/3 multiplied by 1/5. Ang rule lamang natin ang i-multiply ang numerator and numerator and denominator and denominator. Diretso lang. Hindi na tayo maghahanap pa ng least common denominator. Now, 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Very good. And 3 times 5 is equal to 15. And since 2 and 15 ay nasa lowest term na, wala nang pwedeng i-divide sa kanila ng number, 2/15 is the final answer. Madali lang ang multiplication of fractions, tama? Diba? Napakadali lang. Next example. 3/8 multiplied by 2/4. Anong unang gagawin? Ano yun? 3 times 2. Very good. It's 6. And 8 times 4, it is equal to... Skip count tayo. 8, 16, 24, 32. It is 32. Ang 6/32 ba ay pwede pang malowest term? Very good. Pwede pang malowest term si 6/32 kasi si 6/32 ay may pwedeng number na i-divide sa kanila. Ano yun na number? Very good. It's 2. 2 and 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal to... Ano yun? 3. Very good. 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. Kaya ang final answer is 3/16. Teacher, paano na lang kaya kung mixed number siya? Kagaya nito, 1 and 1/2, i-multiply daw siya sa 3/1/4. Same rule, gagawin natin siyang improper fraction. Anong unang gagawin kapag improper fraction? I-multiply, ipa-plus. 1 times 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Kopyahin natin ang denominator times. 3 times 4 is equal to 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. Kopyahin ang denominator. Next, let's multiply numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. 3 times 13, it is equal to 39. Okay, 39 over 2 times 4, 8. Napansin natin si 39/8 ay nasa improper fraction pa. Ibabalik natin siya sa mixed number. Divide natin. Ilang 8 ang mayroon sa 39? Let's count. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64. Magpas na tayo. Again. 8, 16, 24, 32. It's 4. Kaya 4 times 8. 8, 16, 24, 32. 9 minus 2 is 7 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Let's arrange. Kaya magiging 4/7. 4 and 7/8. Naintindihan ba? Okay. Next. 3 and 1/5 multiplied by 2. Teacher, napakahirap naman yan. I-multiply sa 2. Una, gagawin muna natin ay itong si 3/1/5 ay gagawin into improper fraction. 3 times 5 is equal to 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. 16/5 times 2. Remember, all whole numbers ay may denominator na 1. Very good. May denominator yan siya na 1. Huwag natin kaligtaan. Kaya magiging 16 times 2 is equal to 32/5. And since it is improper fraction pa rin, i-divide natin. Ilang 5 mayroon sa 32? It is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Kaya magiging 2. Kaya, ang lowest term ay magiging 6 and 2/5. Naintindihan? Teacher, paano kung hindi mixed number, fraction lang? For example, 4/5 times 5. Huwag mag-alala, kung 4/5 times 5 lang yan, remember parate na may invisible denominator 1 yan siya. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. 5 times 1 is equal to 5. And 20 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Tama? I mean, hindi siya 5, it is 4. Next, teacher, paano kung ang whole number ay nasa harapan? Wala ding problema. For example, 4 times 1 and 1/2. Change muna natin itong si 1 and 1/2 into improper. Kaya magiging 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 halves. Remember, my denominator 1 is 4. Kaya 4 times 3 is equal to 12 over 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Kaya 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Hopefully, na naintindihan ninyo ang topic natin na multiplication of fractions. Napakadali lamang nito. I-multiply ang numerator and denominator and denominator. And if the answer can be transformed into its lowest term, do not forget to transform it to its lowest term. Goodbye, God bless, and enjoy your day, grade 6.